Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering and measuring ingredients. 1 cup long grain rice, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 pound chicken or tofu, 1 can black beans, and 1 cup frozen or canned corn. Rinse rice until water runs clear and drain. Chop 1 tomato, 1/2 cup red onion, 1 avocado, and a handful of cilantro, then juice 1 lime. Open and rinse the black beans, drain the corn, and pat the protein dry so seasonings stick evenly during cooking. Bring the measured rice and 2 cups water to a boil, add 1 teaspoon salt, stir, cover, and reduce to low heat for 18 minutes, then remove from heat and let rest covered for 5 minutes. While rice cooks, season 1 pound chicken or tofu with 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and salt. Sauté in 1 tablespoon oil 6 to 8 minutes per side until done. In a small pan, heat rinsed black beans and 1 cup corn with 1/2 teaspoon cumin and a squeeze of lime. To assemble a burrito bowl, start with 1 cup cooked rice in the bowl, add 1/2 cup warmed black beans and corn, then arrange about 4 ounces sliced chicken or tofu on top. Add chopped tomato, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, sliced avocado, and a handful of cilantro. Top with 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons sour cream or Greek yogurt, and the juice of 1 lime. Store leftovers in airtight containers up to 4 days, and reheat in the microwave.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.